We are we are about to witness someone get raped on Halo 3. Alright, let's do this. Smack that bitch.
Let's change up toys here.
Come closer. Closer to the head. You go closer to the head. There we go. Hey, let's do some raping. Alright, let's see what it looks like for the rapist. Alright, rapist. Rapist, keep raping. Rapist. Rapist, come in. Rapist. Get there. Zoom out, rapist. That's a rapist eye view, by the way. Let's see what's going on. Okay, rapist, you almost ready for your explosion? Whoa, explosion!